What's up, guys? This is Chris. I'm going to start out showing you me hard at work. This is a drawing I did for a challenge at Proko.com. Check out Proko.com if you get a chance. Pretty awesome. Love Stan Procopinko, Marshall Vandruff. Really motivating artist. Motivated me to do this drawing here. You know, previous video I talked about how to do art daily, and today I want to cover why do we do art daily? Why is it important? And the reason why it's important is because art, it's not like riding a bike. It's complex. And in fact, if you haven't ridden a bike in years, that also is complex. You could fall over and hurt yourself. Be careful out there on the bikes you haven't ridden in years. But unfortunately, the complexity of art is something that I had to learn the hard way. I learned after 5 years of not doing art that when you don't do it for a long time, you actually lose your skills. I mean, it's just so complex. You're demanding that not only your mental acuity, but also physical acuity. So you have to keep that cognitive ability going. So after 38 years of my life, after 5 years of not doing art at all, I realized that I had just started over, right? And I didn't want to do that again. Actually, I got a picture here. This is the first painting that I did after not doing art for around 5 years or so. And I had made a commitment that, heck, I'm going to do art every single day. I don't want to have to start over again. And now, just by doing daily art, it's compounded into the ability that I have now to do drawings like this, to do paintings like this, to do paintings like that, to do a painting here that I'm working on. Actually, I just signed it today. Yeah, but this is all about art daily. You don't have to sit there and do 12 hours of art a day or even an hour of art a day. Heck, my minimum is 30 minutes. You just do art daily and it will compound over time. But you keep going at it. You keep working hard every single day and doing something. No matter how tough your day is, put in your 30 minutes. Be the artist that you want to be. Because starting over again is harder than continuing for the rest of your life. Just doing a little bit every single day really compounds and helps. So how long has it been since you've done your art or what you love to do? How long have you taken away from it? And how can you get back to it? What small commitment can you make today to start being the artist that you always wanted to be? And if it's been years since you've been an artist, since you've done what you love, it is what it is. No worries. You know, let's get back to it. Let's start small. Let's get back to the practice. Let's work on who we want to be. As one philosopher said, you know, it doesn't matter how long the light in the room has been off. Once you turn it on again, it's on, right? So let's turn on the light. You know, let's begin again. Let's not beat ourselves up for the past, for not being an artist for forever, or not completing the things that you think you feel you should be completing. Let's just work a little bit further every single day. You know, once you turn that light on again, the room may be a bit dusty. It may be, you may have to take some time to get it back up to the skills that you need to get back up to. But the light's on again. So how can you make a simple and easy commitment to practicing your art daily? Remember, again, start small, plan for those worst days, and look for the long-term commitment, like the rest of your life, not the short-term results, because that's the commitment where real change is made. And let's do art daily. The wait is over. Get started today. Let's see what you can come up with. Be artists, be creative, work hard with intensity. See you guys.